So any pet really could potentially benefit from having a blood sample. Our main use here at Animal Trust is probably in sick animals. They're a very useful diagnostic tool in terms of looking into why they might be ill. We also use them for animals that are on long-term medications to just check there's no underlying reasons that the medications may no longer be safe. And we also use them in older animals quite often. There are things changing on their blood sample that might not be obvious. They may not be ill yet, but there could be signs that there are things starting to happen and we can catch them early on the blood sample. Taking the blood sample is really quick. It's just a case of clipping away some hair either on the neck or on the leg, cleaning it with some surgical spirit, and then we take it with a needle and syringe. The whole process takes just a few minutes. We can normally get this done in just a normal vet consult. So with our internal machines, the results are available to us very, very quickly, normally the same day, which means that we can develop a plan very, very quickly, particularly useful in sick animals and you want to know exactly what's going on. Occasionally, blood samples that we're unable to perform in-house, we may have to send away to our external lab provider, and that could take a few days to get the results back. But our standard ones, we can get the results very, very quickly. So our standard in-house test looks at the blood cells, the liver and kidney enzymes, blood glucose, blood proteins, electrolytes. It's a very, very thorough test. It can give us a lot of information. It can either tell us that everything is normal, which is great, or it can show us signs that there might be illness or point us in the right direction if there is an ill animal. It's a really, really valuable diagnostic tool to have, and as I said before, it's very quick and it can really help us focus in on what might be making your pet ill.